Hello, pre-algebra students. Mr. Lawrence here. Actually, I am Mr. Lawrence's robot. Mr. Lawrence asked me to come in and help you with scanning problems for doing the order of operations correctly. He said that he and Mrs. Sepko are very proud of you, especially last week when you learned the left-to-right rule so well. But because you don't know about scanning, you are overusing the rule and therefore doing some problems incorrectly. He knows how intelligent you are, and she knows that with a little bit of correction, you can do them properly. So, that being said, Mr. Lawrence's robot here, you may call me Zeno. I am here to help you. Let's start with a very basic problem. But before I do that, I want to quickly review that. Remember, in the order of operations, the first thing are the parentheses, right? They look kind of like that. Paren. And we are going to highlight parentheses in yellow. That will be part of our scanning mission. Then you all know that after the parentheses come the exponents. And we are going to highlight the exponents in green. Then we have multiplication slash division. Remember that they have equal value. We will highlight them in orange. And then finally, we have addition and subtraction, and they have equal value. Remember, these are the parts of the problems where we go left to right. We will highlight those in blue, and I think if you see them properly, you will be able to do these problems. I'm drawing my left to right arrow. Okay, now let's take a look at our first example. It'll be very basic. Hold on one moment, please. Okay, I have these two problems. First, we will look at problem number 1. And what I'm going to do is scan. I know you are very good at these two problems because Mr. Lawrence and Mrs. Sepko have bragged about you many days to me. But to show you how I think about it, because I am a robot, I will demonstrate. So if I see a parenthesis in the problem, I will highlight that part of the problem yellow. If I see an exponent, I will highlight it green. If I see multiplication and division, I will highlight those in this orange color. And if I see addition and subtraction, I will highlight them blue. So let me go on to problem number 1. I have a subtraction sign here. I have an addition sign here. There are no other things to be highlighted. Because this problem is entirely addition and subtraction, I know that I go left to right. And again, I know you are very good at this part of the problem. So I will do 5 minus 10 and get negative 5. I will add 12. I will negative 5 plus 12 and get 7. And there is my answer. Moving on to number 2. I look for parentheses. I see none. I look for exponents. Exponents are negative. I do not find any exponents. Search for multiplication addition. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I found it. I found it. I need my orange highlighter. Here comes my orange highlighter. I have division here. I also have multiplication here. Because it is only multiplication division, I shall go left to right. So I will do 30 divided by 6 and get 5. Then I will do 5 times 3 and get 15. And there is my answer. And I know you're very good at these types of problems. Let me clear my slate and try some other problems. One moment, please. Here are my next two problems. They look a little more complex. I will begin reading problem number 3. 5 minus 3 times 6 plus 2. Now, initiate scanning process. First, look for parentheses. There are no parentheses. Searching for exponents. No exponents found. Now, I will search for multiplication or division. Multiplication found. Highlight in process, orange. Now, there is no other multiplication or division. search for addition, subtraction. Subtraction found, highlighting in blue. Addition found, highlighting in blue. Okay, because I have more than one step in the order of operations, I will work downward. I will go, no parentheses, no exponents. I will do multiplication and division first. Once I've done all of that, then I will do the addition and subtraction second, and I will go left to right. So the 5, nothing will happen with just yet. Bring down the negative. Now I will do 3 times 6, which is 18, and then I will add the 2. Notice I still have 2 things to highlight. I have a negative or a subtraction sign and an addition sign. So now that the problem is all addition subtraction, I shall go left to right from here. 5 minus 18 is negative 13 plus 2 equals negative 11. Mission accomplished. Let's move on to problem number 4. Negative 2 plus 12 divided by 4 plus 2. I see no parentheses in problem. I see no exponents in the problem. Prepare to search for multiplication, division. Searching multiplication and division is a success. I have found division here. No other multiplication or division exists. Searching for addition and subtraction. Subtraction found. Oh, danger, Will Robinson. Danger, Will Robinson. Error. Mistake made. Get rid of those. There we go. Restore to division. Now, searching for addition, subtraction, we need a blue color. Saving tool properties. I have subtraction here, or a negative. There is no difference. I have a positive, and I have a positive. So I have 1 instance of multiplication or division, and I have 3 instances of addition or subtraction. Proceeding with the problem, order of operations tells me to do parentheses first. There are no parentheses. Exponents second. There are no exponents. Then I shall do multiplication or division. I have multiplication, division. That part of the problem becomes 3. The rest of the problem simply travels down. Now, all the multiplication, division is accounted for. I shall do the addition and subtraction from left to right. I will do negative 2 plus 3 to get positive 1. Bring down the 2 that I did not use and get 3 for an answer. I hope this is making a little more sense. Let's do one that's much more complicated. Hold on one moment. Here is a much more involved problem. Initiate scanning procedure. Searching first for parentheses. Parentheses, searching for parentheses. I have found parentheses. I shall highlight that part of the problem. Continue scanning process. This time searching for exponents. Exponent detected. Continuing search process. Searching for multiplication / division. Multiplication detected. Division detected. Continuing search process. Searching for addition or subtraction. There is a lot of highlighting going on. What I need to remember is that the order of operations tells me to do parentheses first, then the exponents, then I will consider all the multiplication and division from left to right. Then finally I will consider all the addition and subtraction from left to right. So let us do this. The first thing I will do will be to take care of my yellow highlighted area, and I will do 6 minus 4, which is a plain old 2. I will bring down the rest of the problem. Yes, I am writing more than I need to, but It helps you guys, and so therefore I will risk the damage to my mechanical arm to help you learn because I care about you as much as Mr. Lawrence or Mrs. Sopko do. Okay, so parentheses are complete. I shall check it off. Now I shall look for exponents. The exponents were in the first term. Yes, I will do the exponent part of the problem. 9 squared, 9 times 9 is 81. I shall bring down the rest of the problem. 5 times 2 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 2. Now I am searching for multiplication and division. Here is the multiplication. Oh dear, error detected, error detected, error detected. Correcting, correcting. There is the multiplication. There is the division, just like in the problem above. Now I will go left to right doing multiplication, only the multiplication and division. So this will become 10, 5 times 2 is 10, and this will become 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Bring down rest of the problem, 81 plus minus plus 2. Now the problem is entirely multiplication, addition or subtraction. I see addition here, subtraction there, and addition there. I will, from this point on, go left to right. 81 plus 10 is 91, minus 3. And then I will do 91 minus 3, which is 88, plus 2. 88 plus 2 is 90. My answer is 90. Please start using this scanning process. You scan for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication / division, then addition to subtraction. And remember, when you're going left to right, you're only doing the multiplication division, and then you're only doing the addition subtraction. This is Zeno signing off. He will see you another day. Good night, everybody.